Good morning. Welcome to another day of Ghade Pe Charcha. Today it's blistering hot here, and this cool earthen pot is a blessing in disguise. These, my friends, is Kesar mango which has come from Kutch, from Sri Batuk Singh Jadeja ji's farm. Just look at these beauties. Perfect color, perfect ripening, and I'm sure they taste perfect. These mangoes are grown 100% organically and they are tested at 382 parameters of chemical residues that could be found on the fruit. Each of this mango has brilliant weight, excellent size, and very good pulp. These mangoes right now are around 40 to 50% ripe, and another 2 days they will be ready to eat. Kesar is also known as the queen of mangoes. It's one of the best mango varieties you can have in our country. The pulp is orangish yellow in color. The skin, although from Kutch, does not go completely yellow that you see in mangoes from Gir, but in terms of taste, due to its proximity to the sea, these mangoes have exceptional taste and flavor. Once completely ripe, they're extremely fragrant as well. So get yourself a box of kesar and enjoy these during the hot summer day till another day at Ghade Pe Charcha. This is me, Vipin Nair, signing off. Have a great day.